What is going on, everybody? Zig here, bringing you some more South Park, the Stick of Truth. Wow, I kind of butchered that name up a little bit. So if you don't recall, in the last episode we got abducted by aliens, probed by aliens, Randy got anally raped by aliens, and we killed some aliens, and we also escaped the alien ship. So yeah, that was an interesting level, to say the least. What kind of upgrade do we want? Ooh, I want... Oh wow, I don't have a perk available. Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade this one. Alright. Now that we have our anal probe that's in our hand. I still cannot believe that we got probed by aliens. That's honestly just a complete and utter shocker. Where are we supposed to go? That's my question. I think we should... Let's do a side quest. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do the Manbearpig. Oh, oops. Or not.
Oh my God! They came out of nowhere! There was a huge earthquake and then there was burning in my yard! Didn't you hear about it? It's all over the news. Here, look!
And that a large earthquake and several fires in the SouthPark area last night woke many residents from their sleep. Here with the report is a midget in a bikini. Tom, government workers here are assuring everyone nothing out of the ordinary has happened. They claim that the only reason huge tents have gone up to cover this area is to mask the construction of a new Taco Bell, which will open sometime later this month. Thanks, midget, I do love me some Taco Bell. The mayor of SouthPark states that last night's tremors and fires are under control and that hopefully schools and businesses can open again soon.
It's horrible. You don't understand. The elves, they took the stick! And it's bullshit because that is totally cheating. We specifically said no trying to take the stick at night. Elves are dirty little liars, and we have to lay waste to their entire base. You have some incredible ability to make friends quickly, Sir Douchebag. I'm sending you on a quest to go out into the lands of Zaron and recruit a whole nother faction to Koopa Keep. Find the goth kids and give them this letter. Get them to join our kingdom and we shall lay waste to the drow elves once and for all. Fucking cheaters.
Alright, well, I still want to do Manbearpig, so we are going to do Manbearpig.
I was just come over to see if you wanted to come play with us again.
Well, that's nice, Butters. So, we are definitely going to be doing the Manbearpig one this episode. So I do want to get into some of the side quests, because I heard some of them were actually pretty awesome. So, let me see where... Right. Oh, wow, we went the wrong way. Okay. So, we're going to go, and we're going to run over to this whatchamacallit, I can't even think right now. Fast travel. There we go. We're gonna go to this fast travel here, just so we can get this Manbearpig thing going. Timmy. Fucking love Timmy. He's probably, like, not including the main characters, I definitely think that Timmy is one of my favorite. That's just gnarly. One of my favorite characters in South Park. I want to get this. I see that chest up there. We're gonna get it. I don't know if I already got it though. For some reason I feel like I've already gotten it. Maybe. Yeah, I think we already got it. Oh. Okay. We got the Manbearpig sensor. I guess it was a good thing we went up there. Let's recheck this. Yeah, I'm gonna say there's no way. Ow! Okay, so we got the sensor. Now, is there a way I can make this my main quest? No. Okay, so we have the sensor. Attach Manbearpig sensor to a wind crocodile. What the hell's that? Okay, so we have to go up there. I say we go through the forest. No. 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 Oh, you bitch. You drunken hobo bitch.
Huh?
Ooh, what should we do? Let's alien probe her. Oh, I think that's a dude. What is this? Oh, yeah. I want to do that. What did I do? What did I do? I'm gonna shoot you with my alien gun. I can't see my own dude. Dude, this thing is... I can't see anything! Oh my god, what in the world is going on? I'm just going off sound right now. I can't see a thing. I honestly don't know what the hell's going on here.
What I do? Flare up, huh?
Almost dead.
Oh.
I am only going off sound right now, just to let everyone know. Oh shit.
That's not nice. What I
Okay.
do?
I have no idea. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the healing touch. Just because I have no idea what my life's at and I'd rather not die. How the fuck is this bitch not dead yet? $155 armor? Oh my god.
Oh. That's not nice.
This is so difficult not being able to see anything.
What I do?
Thank you. Hopefully the Professor Chaos is gone. Because that was very obnoxious and very annoying. See this over here, I'm very curious. You got money. Shit-stained badge. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Good to know. No idea where I'm going. Oh, we got a dog. God damn it. Oh, we got a couple dogs.
Why can't you just leave us alone? Fuck him up!
What do you got here?
Feel my righteous fury!
Really? Another one? Okay. And we'll alien ray gun you guys. Fuck, that was bad. Ew. Why are you... Oh my god, Butters. Sitting over there getting raped by a damn dog. Alright, I'll heal you up a little, buddy. Okay, let's get a good shot on these guys. There we go. No, let's... Oh, I can't. Damn it. Okay. Why? Quit calling other dogs in! Starting to piss me off there, Poochie. No. Why do you keep having sex with Butters? That's not nice. Thank you. Now maybe I can just fucking kill you. There we go. Oh, thank you. That was ridiculous. I gotta fight one dog, and then there's two, and then I kill one dog, and then it pops out another one, and then... So I'm guessing there's just dogs scattered all over the place. God damn it! This one.
Hamburgers.
God, you guys are just so rude. Screwing with Butters and everything. Come on, Tom. I need to do something that'll affect all of them. Like this. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. You want to quit having sex with Butters, please? That killed Butters. Alright, let's revive him. Okay. I'll do Dragon's Breath. Damn! I was not expecting that much damage to come out of that.
Feel my righteous fury!
Fuck him up right here. We're gonna kill him right here. Alright, Butters. Finish him off for me, bud. Oh, I screwed up. It's all good.
I'm a lot more experienced now.
Hey, now let's hope there's no more dogs here. That's all I want to do is find Manbearpig. I gotta help Al Gore. Alright, gotta go find Manbearpig. Wait, do we just... Okay, I think we're good. I think we're at the farm now. No, this is Canada. Not going to Canada. No, thank you. I don't want to go get dogs. Oh no! God damn it. Alright. This is a very unproductive episode here.
Can't I just go right back home after the flight so I don't get grounded?
What do you got here, Butters? Let's just attack them. Night. Oh, stop it! Why do they only screw Butters? I'm noticing a trend. I think Butters is a very, makes dogs a little horny. Now don't stop howling! You know what I'm gonna do? I wanna zap you guys, just because. Butters, do your hammer storms.
Feel my righteous fury! I'll rubber your glue!
Good job, Butters.
Hey, I'm lucky!
There we go. And now you're dead. Damn, I did 200.
You think we were too
Okay,
hard on 'em?
now maybe we can get the fuck out of here without running into dogs. Let's go this way. I need to find where the fuck the,
Yeah, I think we should
Ugh. Oh, okay, so you can juke them out. Oh, that's awesome. It's good to know you can juke them out. Let's go up this way. No! 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 Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm lost. Definitely gonna say I'm lost. Let's see what's up here. No! Yeah, I'm going this way. Oh fuck! God damn it! Said you're trying to avoid these fucking dogs.
Please don't ask me, honey. No, 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 no.
What can we do that'll affect them all? This.
Fuck him up.
I only got 2 of them. I thought I'd get more. Alright, Butters.
Feel my righteous fury.
I got rid of one of them. Really? That's gross. Oh no, Butters is down. Fuck you and your fucking howling bullshit. Okay, this is getting disgusting. Great, now I'm bleeding, and I'm almost dead. I have to use a small health potion. What? You know, maybe dying is going to be the best thing I can do. Because that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna die here. And maybe it'll get me out of this fucking forest. I made a bad mistake going into that forest. I did not. Yes, okay, good. Not going into the forest this time. Okay, we can take these railroad tracks up here. There's no fucking way I'm going back to that forest. Really? That's lame. Wait, can we go right here? Oh, that's so lame. We have a message from Randy. Let's see here. Go to the cat, but it's not working. It's pretty cute. No, thank you. Nice. Alright, we're gonna get this done. We're doing this Manbearpig shit. Because Manbearpig is fucking awesome. Okay, we're almost there. No, not fighting you. No, not going that way either. Okay, Randy, you can stop messaging me now. Hey. Okay, what do I do here? There's another picture of crocodile. Like this? No, not that. Oh, to that. Okay. Now what? Is that all we gotta do? That's where we gotta go. Alright, so we're almost done here. I'm gonna get to a fast travel and just fast travel over to the elementary school. But I want to talk to this guy.
I'll give you a good price.
Level 1 stuff? No. No. Okay, never mind. Oh, that stuff's crappy. Alright, let's fast travel over to the school. And then we'll go up to the pond. And we'll finish up the Manbearpig quest. This? No, where do we go for this one?
I got beat up one time over there by that tree.
Okay. Return to Al Gore. So we'll do another fast travel and we'll finish this bad boy up. I don't remember where Al Gore is though. He's hiding in town. Right there? Yeah. Alright. Al Gore.
Good job, Junior Algorian. With all the sensors in place, I can get a reading on my... I knew it! These are definitely hot Manbearpig readings. Come with me. I must put this data in the data Manbearpig base.
Well, let's see here. I'm supposed to shoot up there. Oh, there we go. I was trying to get up on the trash can, it wouldn't let me. Weird. I'm probably in the wrong place, aren't I? No, I'm not. Okay, good. Ooh. Which one is it, though? Yeah, which one is it? Oh, oh.
Uh-huh. This is very interesting. The sensors have picked up Manbearpig underneath the ground of SouthPark. If you know anywhere you can get underground, go there at once and run this defibrillator.
Okay. Well, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. We will continue this mission in the next episode, and I'll see you guys later.